Hey, what's up? I recently came back from a trip to Turkey, which was incredible. And I wasn't actually out there for work or for personal reasons. I was actually out there for a church trip with some of our church members and leaders. The intention was never for me to take photos out there, but of course, I brought some of my film cameras with me. And that's really what this video is. I wasn't able to take a ton of photos, but I was able to take a couple rolls of photos. And I just want to show you some iPhone footage and some photos I took out there. We visited places like Izmir and Ephesus. We stayed in a place called Kusadasi. We were in various parts of Turkey for about 8 days. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking and I just want to show you some of those photos.
Over there, 100 shops, 110 meter outside, 12,000. See that there was a slave market and animal market. Very classical example of the market. So this building, library.